Hey everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will showing you how to become a product tester for Timo. So without further ado, let's dive in. So first open your Timo app, and if you don't have an account yet, go ahead and create one. Once you are in, head over to the account center and you will see support icon in the upper right corner. Alright? Click on that and then you will find a contact us button below. After that, just simply type how to become a product tester for Timo, and they will provide you with the link to sign up. Alright? As you can see, there's the link. However, in my case, the influencer program isn't available in my region. So if this is available for you, you are in luck. But don't worry. If this is not available, there is another way to earn money. You can just join for their affiliate program or affiliate influencer, which is great alternative. Alright, so I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and good luck.